Well, it's 1 o'clock. Let's go ahead and call this meeting to order. Wednesday, May 22nd, 2024. We're continuing the discussion from the public hearing last time. We're talking about the abandonment of right-of-way. At that last point, I think you had talked about wanting to get a legal opinion on whether the county should be charging or not. I think we've determined that in 1 week we weren't able to get any further legal information on that. Also, I think it's come to our attention that because we didn't have this plan, we didn't inform the applicant in advance. It doesn't seem that it'd be fair or appropriate to do that in this case. So I'm open to a motion, but I'm leaning that we should go ahead and approve the abandonment.
I'll go ahead and motion to approve the abandonment.
And do we need anything more in the motion than that? I don't have all your.
It goes on to. Here's the. Can he have that?
Yeah, absolutely.
version?
Yep, that's fine.
There's the recommended motion if you wanted to read it out a little bit.
Okay.
It just identifies the case and identifies the conditions of what's being approved.
Okay. All
Those
right.
are just mine.
Were we we were not in a public hearing the last time we got out and we were here
And
to discuss.
we were
We
in
continued it to, and these are your deliberations. And so,
Okay, okay.
So we're not doing the public hearing.
Okay, based on the findings of fact and conclusion of law set forth in these documents and any additional testimony received, the Shoshone County Board of Commissioners order that an excess of unnamed public right-of-way described in Exhibit A attached hereto incorporated herein is hereby vacated and abandoned with easements retained pursuant to Idaho Code 42-2033. The excess unnamed public right-of-way described in Exhibit A and depicted in Exhibit B is to revert to the adjacent property owner and case number VAC-100-23, petition by Keith Trout for vacation and abandonment of public right-of-way or street be approved.
So that's your full motion?
Yep.
I'll second that. Any discussion?
No.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion carries unanimously. Okay? So that is done and done legal.
awesome. We will produce a resolution, and then you'll sign the resolution, and we'll publish the
I think
resolution.
it's so.
All that stuff.
And then he'll
Yes,
convey
sir.
deed from you to the resolution conveys that property to him, and then he'll record a deed from himself to himself.
Okay.
And then that property becomes his, and
Okay?
we're done.
Thanks for bearing with us through
Thank
the
you.
process.
Thank you. Appreciate
Okay?
it.
And thank you, too, for bearing
Yep.
with us,
Thank
even
you.
though you get paid to bear with us.
That's true.
You don't get paid enough to bear with us, but you get paid.
Well, thank you for recognizing.
Yes. All right. With that, we are adjourned.